Thanks, Ken.
You got it.
Well, you might be wondering why we have changed attire.
You can't even see like this whole thing. Yeah, we're holding paddles.
Oh,
yeah, we look very sporty. So summer is here. It is time to hit the water, and AM Extra wants to take you on a paddle adventure on one of our rivers.
I'm looking at myself on the screen. It's great. Every Monday this month, we are announcing a new giveaway. And this week, you can enter for a chance to win a guided tour of the Willamette Falls for 4 people. And this is through eNRG Kayaking in Oregon City. The prize will be given as a $260 gift card, so you can enter right now through KOIN.com/contests. So joining us live right now to tell us about their tours is Kurt Detter with eNRG Kayaking, and he's joined by Annie Austin with Oregon's Mount Hood Territory. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Hey, Elise. Hey, Jenny. How you guys doing?
We are having fun.
We're sporty.
Water.
Yes.
I feel like this is my color, so you know.
Yeah.
Nothing to be mad about here. So for Kurt, what kind of experiences does eNRG Kayaking offer?
Well, we've been in business for 21 years, 10 years based here in Oregon City, with satellite operations in Westland, Gladstone, and Mill City down outside of Salem. We do kayak and paddle tours like we're offering with a giveaway. They're a historic tour. Oregon City is just steeped in history. And so it's a 1-mile tour up to the Willamette Falls, second largest waterfall in the country by volume of water going over it. And we do history along the way. We've got a new tubing operation running out of Gladstone on the Clackamas River. We have whitewater rafting on the Santiam River down outside of Salem if you're looking for a little bit more excitement. And then some of our really fun programs that we're offering, we have live concerts on the water all summer long. We've got 6 more coming. Next one this coming Saturday night. We put a musician in a big 35-foot canoe. We paddle up to the falls, and that's our backdrop. And we have an hour-and-a-half show where folks are in kayaks and paddle boards and listening to live music. It's really fun.
That's so unique. I love it.
That is so cool. And you mentioned the history along the way. So Annie, why have a guide for these kinds of tours?
Yeah, well, I think every reason's my favorite reason, but this week my favorite reason is because they can point out things that you just aren't going to find on your own. You're not going to find with a friend. For example, with eNRG Kayaking, when they take you to the falls, there are Indigenous petroglyphs along the way. They'll go ahead and point those out with the history tour. So you really get that like full story, that full experience. And speaking of the Willamette, it is a trail. It's a water trail. It's a 187-mile water trail. And one of my favorite things about Mount Hood Territory's urban cities that are along the Willamette is that their downtowns, their main streets are only 0.5 miles, so half a mile or less from the water. So you have that really close access. So you can, it's really easy to make a trip of it. You can like shop and eat and paddle in whatever order you want. And since eNRG Kayaking, their headquarters is out of Oregon City, I want to mention the Oregon City Municipal Elevator. If you go there to that flying saucer, you can pick up one of these cool Oregon City field guides that will tell you all the fun things to do there. So yeah, it's just lots of opportunity.
Yeah, it's the whole package. And Kurt, I mean, obviously this hot weather has everybody heading out to the water. Have you seen business increase with more bookings?
Our mornings have been really busy, and it kind of tapers in the afternoon a little bit as folks seek a little bit more refuge from the sun. But the Willamette is 70 degrees. It's a great way to cool your core temperature if you just do a little kayaking, do a little swimming.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'd probably want to stay in the kayak myself, but yeah, not much of a swimmer. But again, like Annie was saying, Annie, I mean, all these like cities to explore near the river. There's just really so much to do.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I live in Milwaukie, and I love like the Milwaukie Farmers Market. It's just, I mean, it's literally across the street to the river.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, just kayak on over. All right. Well, thank you, Kurt and Annie, for joining us. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. And again, you have the chance to win a paddle adventure for 4 with eNRG Kayaking. $260 value. You can enter now on KOIN.com/contests, and Of course, you'll get to sport these cool life jackets and
They actually
and use
are
the
really
paddles and
cool.
everything. Yeah, they are really cool. Yeah, I didn't zip mine up though. You look like official, like you're ready to go.
Oh, I'm official.
She's ready to jump in. Yeah. Okay, it is 8:13 right now. You're watching AM Extra on Portland CW, and up next.
Yeah, so next,
Yeah.
Fast and